So today we're going to go backwards. We're going to do the opposite of what we did yesterday. Yesterday we took improper fractions and we changed them into mixed numbers. But today we're going to do the opposite. Today's goal is to change mixed numbers into improper fractions. So, excuse me, yesterday we remember that the bar stands for something important. It means to do what? Dathan? It means to divide. So to divide 20 divided by 9, we know that once we get that answer, we can turn that into a mixed number. Don't forget, a mixed number is a whole number plus the little fraction that goes with it. So something plus a little bit extra. So now the process of turning this mixed number back into an improper fraction. Here's what we do. We take this 9, our denominator, and we multiply it by this big whole number out here. 9 times 2, what is it? 18. So you keep that in your head, 18. Next is you add in the numerator. So 18 plus 2 more is 20. That's the number we write on the top. The number on the bottom stays the same. It doesn't change. It just stays the same. Piece of cake, right? All right, I would like you to watch this one. Okay, remember the process. We take our denominator times our whole number, which is 21. Then we add in our numerator. So we kind of go in a big circle. And what do we get? 23. That's our new top number, our new numerator. Over 7, we leave that the same. Our answer, 23 over 7. Piece of cake, right? Yeah. Okay. We're going to do a few up here, and then I'll get them a little bit harder. Now, it may be the case today that you can do most of these in your head. But there may be problems where you can't do them in your head, and you need to work them off to the side. That's okay. That's not a problem at all. Let's go 6 and 6/7. Let's take our denominator times our whole number, 42, plus our numerator, there it is, 48. We leave our bottom number the same. How would I get from 48 over 7 back to this? What did we do yesterday? Will? We divided. We took 48 divided by 7. We got this for an answer. And we know that means 6 and 6/7. Look at that. There it is. Same thing. Now we know how to go both ways. This time I don't want you to say anything. I want you to try to keep it in your head. Look at all the hands up. That's impressive. Darius, tell me what to do.
9 times 5 is 45 plus 3, 48.
9 times 5 is 45. Plus 3 more is 48. Is that my answer?
No, we got to put 9 over 5.
Over 5. Good work. All right. What if I gave you a problem that was a little tougher to do in your head, like this one? What would you do? Would you raise your hand and say, Mrs. Wajer, I don't know how to do this? Cole?
79.
Tell me what you did.
Well, I multiplied 12 times 6.
Can you do that in your head?
Yes.
Can everybody else? Be honest. I see some people saying, I cannot. That's okay. You don't have to. 12 times 6. Write it off to the side. 12. Yeah. Now can I, is that it? No, I have to add in my 5. Alexis says 77 over 6. It's okay to show your work if you need to. You may have to do that today. All right, I'd like you to pull out your iPads. And here is your first practice problem. 9 and 5/7. Please make this into an improper fraction. Sarah, you forgot to add in this top number. Natasha, tell me what you did. 9 times 7, and then what? And you got 60 what? I just couldn't hear you. 68 over 7 is the correct answer. Put your thumb in the air if you got that one right. Did anybody forget to add in the 5? Okay, don't let that happen. Here's our next practice problem. Gosh, those hands just shoot up in the air. Aaron. 35 over 3, what'd you do? Good work. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. 2 more examples, and then I'm going to give you the first part of your assignment, which is to make one of those explain everythings like we did yesterday. You want a challenge? Absolutely. Not big enough challenge? Oh. Okay, I'll make it tougher next time. Aaron P.
Good morning. It's Friday, January 10th,
87 over 8 is correct. All right, our last example. Yes. 101. How'd you get 101? 14 times 7 is actually 98. But some of you forgot to add in the 3. That's the second most important thing. 101 over 7 is correct. All right, let me explain what we're doing next.